How to download a file from OneDrive. Hello everyone, and let's get started. OneDrive is a cloud storage service provided by Microsoft which allows users to store files and data in the cloud and accessible from any device within the internet connection. It offers both free and subscription-based storage plans with options of individuals, businesses, and organizations. If you want to download any file from the OneDrive access, you can easily do it from your PC. For this, first of all, open your OneDrive. For that, click on this up arrow icon and go to Cloud. This will open the settings. Now, if you want to open the folder in your PC itself, you can tap on this first option, and if not, you can tap on View Online. This will give you access to your OneDrive's official website. Now you have to navigate through your folders to find the file that you want to download. But you have to make sure that you are logged in into your Microsoft Credentials account. Once you have found the file, click on to select it. Then look for the download option. Now you can just double tap on it and download it easily. So you can easily download any of the files and folders that you have kept on OneDrive by accessing your Microsoft account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.